In part 1 video, we have looked at how to modify strings using list and array. In this video, let us look at how to modify strings using string slicing and StringIO class. String slicing. We can use string slicing method to create a new string that represents the modified version. Slice and concatenate the string as required. This is the syntax for slicing. Start. Index where the slicing begins. Default is 0, means start of the string. It is inclusive, meaning the character at that index is included in the slice. Stop. Index where the slice ends. Default is length, means slice till end of the string. It is exclusive, meaning the character at that index is not included in the slice. Step. Interval between characters. Default is 1, means every character is included in the slice. We can insert a character or string using slicing. For example, we have a string s1 equal to word. Let's see how to modify the string word to world by inserting L after R whose index is 2. Slice the string from W to R, concatenate L and then concatenate the slice after R. W is at index 0, which is the default start index. To start the slice from W, you can omit the start index or use 0. To include R at index 2 in the slice, use stop index as 3. This slices the string from W to R. To slice characters after R, start index is 3 and stop index is default. The modified string is assigned to S1 and printed. You can also insert a string using this method. For example, here hello is inserted after hi. Replace a character in a string using string slicing. Suppose you want to change hello to jello. Here we want to replace the first character H to J, concatenate J and the slice after H. This replaces H with J. Assign the modified string to S3 and print it. You can append a string to the end of the string using slicing. Concatenate the string you want to the original string. Here string world is appended to the S4. This creates a new string appended with the string world. We know that the strings are immutable, meaning every change like insertion, replacement or concatenation creates a new copy of the string in memory. So list, array and slicing are efficient for single replacements or inserts, small strings or infrequent edits. These methods can become inefficient in situations involving repeated modifications, especially in loops or large data processing. StringIO is a class in the IO module that allows you to treat a string like a file without creating one on the disk. StringIO object solves the problem by offering a mutable string buffer, providing performance and flexibility benefits. You can modify the content in place without repeatedly allocating new string objects. You can replace or insert characters without rebuilding the whole string every time. First, import the IO module. StringIO objects are initialized with a string or can start empty. Here the StringIO class is initialized with the string S1. This creates a StringIO object SIO which can be used to modify the string in memory. It is an in-memory stream containing the string test. Single IO objects support common file operations such as read, write and seek. You can control the write position using the seek method. It is used to move the internal cursor read-write position within the string buffer just like you would with a file. Let's see how to replace a character. For example, to change test to text, we must replace S at index 2 to X. Like string index, the default position starts at 0. Seek2 moves the cursor to index 2 of the stream. Write X replaces S with X and moves to the next position. The getValue method returns the entire string content at any point. Modified string text is assigned to S1 and printed. You can replace multiple consecutive characters. For example, let's replace 50th to 71st in string S2. The index of 5 is 4. To start replacing from position 4, first go to the position 4 using seek. If you pass a string to write, the character at the current cursor position is replaced with the first character. Here 5 is replaced by 7 and the cursor moves to next position, and then 0 is replaced by 1 and so on until the end. In the modified string S2, 50th is replaced by 71st. Insert a character or string at specific position. StringIO does not support true insertion directly, but you can simulate it. For example, let's insert L after R to change word to world. R is at index 2, so we need to insert L at index 3. Start with an empty StringIO object. Using slice operation, get the characters before R and write them to the buffer. Then write L. Now get the character after R using slice operation and write them after R. The modified string shows that L is inserted after R. You can insert a string. For example, to insert hello after hi, pass hello to write method. Hello is inserted after hi. This method has improved performance in loops or large edits. When repeatedly concatenating strings, example in a loop using plus or join, causes multiple intermediate strings to be created. For example, the for loop loops through 10 times. If concatenation is used each time, a new string is created. StringIO holds all changes in a single memory buffer, avoiding that overhead. To download practice Python file, please click on the link in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.